Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and welcome to day 25 of my 30 Days of Refashions. If you've missed any of my daily fab-free tutorials, the playlist will be down below for you. And while you're here, why not subscribe so you never miss any of my amazing future tutorials that will be coming right at you every single week. Today, we're actually going to be doing something that requires no sewing whatsoever, which are always the best ones, right? That are just super quick, super simple. And we're going to be using something that maybe you have stuffed at the back of your drawer because there's a run in it, or you're just not feeling it anymore. And that is, of course, tights. And we're going to transform that pair of unworn tights that you just don't want anymore into an amazing shirt that you can wear under just about anything to really zhuzh up your outfit. And if you want even more, I highly recommend popping over to refashionistasherry.com and joining my wardrobe revolution. And you know what? Grab those tights and a pair of scissors and let's get making. For this fantastically fast, super easy, awesome to layer project, all you need are a pair of tights that you don't mind chopping up and your scissors. This video is sponsored by you, so type the word of this video in a comment below to let that algorithm know it needs to share this far and wide so we can get more people using what they have to make what they want. And the word of this video is tighty top. So your first step is to just fold the tights evenly in half, and some tights have the definite heel area. Mine do not. So I'm just going to chop off the toe to open up this side. So with the tights still folded in half, you're just going to chop out a half circle here in the gusset or crotch area. These tights don't actually have the little, protection area there, so I can cut off as much or as little as I want. But if yours does have that, just cut out that area. That's the easiest way to do it. You can stretch this out a little bit now, and it does curl back onto itself just like t-shirt jersey. So it's no sewing, no hemming, no nothing. And you've just created an incredibly stretchy shirt that you can layer under just about anything you want to. Now, I think I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm going to add a little thumb hole maybe on my sleeve cuff here just to make it cooler. Or maybe I should do, way back in like the 90s when we were so cool, and sometimes you had like a thumb hole and other times it was like a middle finger hole. Maybe I'll do that. Let's see. But whatever I do, let's go try it on and style it up. I love how that came out, but I will absolutely not be wearing it without, something over top of it, because yeah, it's definitely just for the kind of extra funky looking sleeve look and nothing else. If you don't have a generous chest like I do, you may be able to get away with just wearing it as a top. And if so, please let me know down below how comfortable or not comfortable that is, because I would love to know. Maybe I'll have to get a pair of like bigger tights. Maybe that would work better. I don't know, but you can let me know when you make this. Can you wear yours without something over it, or are you going to be wearing it just as sleeves as well? Also, did you do thumb holes? Did you do the kind of middle finger holes here so it looks funky? Or did you do no hand, finger, thumb holes at all? I don't know. I really like the look of thumb holes. That's why that's what I did. It's a very 90s callback, I think. But if you love these kind of super simple, quick and easy tutorials, you definitely need to join my wardrobe revolution at refashionistasherry.com. And of course, subscribe so you never miss one of my very quick, very easy Refashionista tutorials. And until tomorrow, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.